Crew, this is Elder Mondoro. Greetings in the divine name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie, the King of Kings, Lord of Lords, conquering Lamb, the tribe of Judah. Yeah, man, now introducing Tap Nasty, the best talent coming out of Pretoria.
Yeah,
Born them, man, Zimbabwe. Yeah, this is the best. Others are the facts.
Yeah, man. Let me tell them this. Them not overstand. Who God bless, no one cares. Yeah, 24th enemy go reach jump down. No matter bad mind, you wanna see me down. Man a fire you, what a cheat on. The tunes man a blaze, them na sing shine. 24th enemy go reach jump down. No matter bad mind, you wanna see me down. Man a fire you, what a cheat on. The tunes man a blaze, them na sing shine. So me say, the tunes man a blaze, they are dangerous. On the microphone, I'm fast and furious. Man, I'm gonna make, I'm serious, just like a kid, I'm curious. The Jews wanna blaze, they are famous, all over the world, they are precious. That now I'm the king of conscience. I'm so relaxing, I'm in a fear bomb class. And this for my quick, kanapta gambiri, nichino changu chipondi chasika kanamiri. Mabebano zikita pande mic de maskiri. But my people, I'm on kanajiri. As now musha, but on the wisira padaza. Pana wando patanda kachengetwa na judge charamba ndichirilisa ngoma dzinosvadza kusvikira vabvuma pamangoma ndiri shasha zviri zvemangoma ndakastanga kare kare vamwe vakatsamwa kandigarira pamatari charamba nchingoimba vanenge musingafari ndiri yanga nayo harare tumuta